Hello everybody, welcome to Smart Money Hub. It's your boy Jeremy and I'm back again with another video showing you guys how to make this money, how to make this cryptocurrency right straight into your wallet. You know what I mean, okay? Before I take you guys into today's video, if you're new to this channel, I urge you to subscribe, hit the like button, you know what I mean, because we're dropping crazy high content. Yeah, you gotta feel it. Alright, previously I made a video on how you can make Bitcoin into your wallet while browsing on the internet, watching the videos, you know. So they have their own certain VPN, the City VPN. Now this is it. Now get up to 25% discount on CryptoTab VPN, save money and enjoy unlimited internet access. Install new VPN and traffic. Now let's check the details and see what's up. Okay, while it's loading, let's go back to tip number 4 and see what it's about. Now yes, you are right. The more stable your connection, the faster and more efficient your mining, and you can get both by just installing the VPN service. You cannot but say that it will also provide the security of your data anytime, anywhere, even if you use a Wi-Fi connection. So it's a win-win situation. So if you're interested in this 4 tip, you can go ahead and make use of it. So now these are the 4 tips I'll be sharing in this video today, and stay tuned for more videos that's coming your way. So if this is your first time on my channel, I urge you to subscribe, hit the like button, comment in the comment section if you have any idea on how to make this cryptocurrency into your wallet. Alright, now I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.